All right, on tonight's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our generative AI course, and we're still doing the project, putting the last few touches on it. So let's have a look at what we went over tonight. Now, last night, if you recall, we went over the process of creating a log file that's going to log all of the important events and functions we create inside of our project. And tonight, we're going to build off the top of that. So let's pick up with some light reading. And now that we have our log file, we will create a path as well. To do that, we will use this code in a logger.py file. It's mean the log path equals os.path.join os.getCWD logs. We're going to do os.makeDirs log path exists okay equals true. And this is how we will save our logs. By using the getCWD, we will save our logs to the current working directory. As you can tell, that's what CWD stands for. So when you see this getCWD, we're going to get the current working directory. Now that we can do this, now what we can do is inside this folder, we're going to create our log file. This is the code we will use to do that. We're going to do log file path equals os.path.join log path log file. Next, we will call the login method and pass a few parameters. So this is the login method we're going to call, and these are the parameters we're going to call. Let me show you those really quickly. Here's the parameters we're going to call inside that login method here. So this is going to go inside there. All of this level equals login info file name blah blah blah. All of that went inside our login method here. Now, this level parameter is linked to a numeric chart whose value will tell us the state and functionality of our logs. So this level method right here, if you actually go and look at the documentation, there is a chart that lets us know that if this level has a certain warning or a certain numeric value to it, it'll tell us the state of our log, either if it's working properly or if it's missing things or if it can't run. But I ran everything already and everything's working properly, so we don't have to worry about that for now. But if you want to do more reading on it, you can. And pretty much that's everything right there. I'm just going to show you how we implemented it, and we're going to run it for you. So let me show you the logger file really quick and show you how we got that going. It's going to be inside here. So you can see this is the new code that we added. So you can see the log path, os, make dirs, log file. And we got the login method. And you see we have the parameters here. So that's all of that there. Then you can see we have the test.py file. We're actually going to test it out and make sure it's working properly. So we're going to do from src.mcqgenerator.logger. We're going to import login. Now all of this means is this is the logger file that we created. That's inside of the MCQ generator folder. That's inside of the SRC folder. So that's how we had to call it. We had to call it from here, from here, from there to import the login. And then we have the login.info. And this is the text we're going to test out here. So we're going to log this here and see if it actually creates a log and saves it for us. Which I already done, but I just want to show you live that everything is working properly, and we're going to run it right now. That's not it. Hold on. Here it is here. Bam. Everything went through, and now you can see now we have a log file that wasn't there before. We open it up. You can see here the stamp. You can click on the stamp, and as you can see, we have our timestamp, 2024, July 29th, 8 o'clock, or 8:35, 33 seconds, 409 milliseconds, root info, and this is the login information that we logged here. So everything is working properly, and we can successfully move forward with putting on the final touches of our project. And that's all I did for tonight. Like I said, I'm going to take the last few steps slow so I can make sure I digest everything and have everything committed to memory. So when we do start the open source, we can just breeze right through it. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, Mr. Python Papi, you guys stay Gucci.